Guys, you see my currants for me?
Look at me compared to them. So they recently tasseled out, and now I am starting to see where they're going to push out their ears. But wow, these are some purple corns. Look at their root system, and they go up and they go up and up and up and up and up to the sky. Up. Phenomenal. I am getting another dragon fruit bud. This is the progress of the first one. So now it's two right there, and you see the ants? Yeah, then to work on those. I am getting these two gooseberries. They are now yellow, so I'm going to keep them inside and let them turn orange, as was recommended to me before they split. And I can't wait to taste them fully orange. So this is the progress of the purple bell pepper. Some of you joining me for the first time wondering, what is she saying? Initially it was purple, it became green, and now it is turning either orange or red. So I promise to keep you posted, and that's exactly what I'm doing. See the purple underneath? It's vanishing slowly but surely. Rub it down a bit. Yeah, so that's the progress for that. Burgundy okras coming in, looking lovely. Look at these corns to the top right here. They are loving their location and their food as well. You can see that they're getting good intake. You remember this video, the native soil that I use with the horse manure? Yep, this is it. And I throw some pumpkin seeds inside here. So I'm going to thin them out, probably put them elsewhere in the yard. But I'm definitely going to have maybe two or so running behind here, behind the corns. You can see the progress of my pak choys. They're coming up nicely, looking good. These cabbages not looking bad at all, but those ones, they're struggling over there. I can't wait for those taller plants to grow bigger to shade them a bit. I am seeing progress with my spinach right here. So you can see the greens coming through. These zinnias are coming on nicely. And the blooms look so pretty. Someone was asking about my mulberry tree. I did show it in an update the other day. So yes, it is putting out blooms. So soon I'll have mulberries again. I wonder what happened. Why is my corn broken? Look at this pepper plant over here, doing its thing, and it has a lot more to give. I don't know if you remember, I almost destroyed this pepper tree. It was one little tiny something. It was stripped off all its leaves, and now it has branches and peppers loading.
Guys, can you imagine I just picked up my sweet sap? My one and only. That was on here. I don't understand this, because I'm telling you, the stem right here, it is very strong, very strong. So if it was flimsy and it fell off, it would have so bad, you know. You know when you know that that the maths not mathsing, but you can't find the formula. Yeah. My investigation antenna turn up. I'm just messing around. But guys, oh my. I mean, the stem, it is so strong. I don't know how this just fall off so. Because I was looking for it, you know, because I always look for it. And when I saw it in the bucket, I was like, wait, what? But say it go. You win some, you lose some. I just love to see these babies in my garden. Ooh. They're doing their thing.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.